Welcome to another grocery haul. This is for this week. I made some meal planning and got some recipes, so I needed to go pick up some stuff. So we got some yellow corn tortillas, and then I also decided to get these street taco white corn tortillas. They just looked interesting. And a classic yellow Duncan Hines cake mix. And I'm not very good with plants, but I found this little succulent on clearance for $1.87, so I'm going to try my hand at that. And then I got just a traditional rotisserie chicken for a recipe. And I'm out. I don't have any crushed red peppers, so I got this Fiesta brand. We've got some Old El Paso red enchilada sauce. Some Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk. And this is going to be for a fun recipe I'll be recording this week. This is the Ready Crust graham cracker things, and there's 6 in a package. I got 2 of those. Feminine products. Self-rising flour. I just have all-purpose, but I needed that for a recipe. And today's my birthday, y'all, so I bought just a little birthday cake. I'm going to have a little slice of it with some ice cream later. And molasses. I've never actually used molasses, but I have a recipe calls for it, so I'm going to use it. 2 cans of chopped green chilies. I don't know why this is not focusing better, but my youngest loves honey buns, so I got 1 box of honey buns. We got some powdered sugar and some light brown sugar, because I have the dark brown. Oops, sorry. And then I got myself a little shirt, just a little tank top shirt. It was only like $6, I think. Got some chives, some walnuts, some green onions, some cilantro, and then I have some more unsalted butter because I need that for baking. And then I got a baguette thingy, I think is what you call it, French baguette on clearance. That's going to be for a recipe. Some heavy whipping cream, some apple juice, some cheddar cheese, and the Fiesta blend cheese, sour cream. And then I never have buttermilk, but I need it for a recipe, so got it. A block of mild cheddar cheese. Salsa verde sauce. And if y'all have never tried the Texas restaurant style salsa, you need to try it. Some Hershey's bars, that's for a recipe. Some peanut butter chips, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, and then the bigger marshmallows. Some peanut butter, the Peter Pan creamy, and some beef Little Smokies. And then I just went ahead and I got this smaller 3-pound roast for a recipe. I have a roast, but it was huge, so I went ahead and just bought this. It's a pork roast. And I think that is about it, other than we got my niece got her daddy a little gift. We got some Reese's peanut butter cups in a card and a little bag. And that's all of our groceries for this week.